Hello everyone, so I just bought this Volkswagen Passat CC 2012 with DSG automatic gearbox. So what I want to do is to reset it because I don't like how it shifts. I think it learned from the behavior of the previous owner. So check out this video how it shifts. I think it shifts a bit too early, so I don't like this. And it seems like the engine is jerking a bit, like it's not smooth. So let me see, will I fix with this quick error for the hard reset of DSG. So check out this video. So the first thing to do is that your car needs to be in the parking position. So put the parking brake, turn off all the electronics, AC, this one, lights, turn on, off all the things. So now I will turn off the car. So what you need to do, first of all, remove the key. So I will put the accelerator all the way to the end, so until the kick down, so all the way to the end. You need to feel the pressure a bit, and then you put the key, you put only ignition. So don't turn off your car, just put the ignition like this. And now wait for around 60 seconds. Sometimes there is a clicking sound, sometimes not. So let's wait a bit and see. I think I heard the click. So it was around between 10 and 20 seconds. So what I need to do now is remove the key and still wait. So I'm not releasing the throttle, I'm still waiting. Again, 10 to 20 seconds, don't release the throttle. Again, I heard like some clicking sound, but let's wait a bit more. Okay, I think all the sounds are gone, so I will release the throttle now. Remove the key, go out of the car, lock the car, and that should be it. Now the next time you unlock and start the car, you should get a new DSG reset like on the factory settings, and it will start learning from your behavior, not the previous owner. So it will start memorizing how you like it to shift. And that will be all for this video. I hope it was beneficial to you. If so, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And see you next time.